Hi guys, I'm gonna show you 20 ways to become successful on YouTube. Tip number 1, commit on posting on YouTube multiple times per week. Tip number 2, choose content that you could create on a regular basis. Tip number 3, begin each video with an interesting hook. Tip number 4, don't make openers longer than 5 seconds. Tip 5, plan where end screen will appear. Tip 6, give viewers a reason for them to stick around. Tip 7, point viewers to the subscription button for them to subscribe. Tip 8, go on other social media platforms and advertise your YouTube channel. Tip 9, focus on your goal for that video and for your YouTube channel. Tip 10, don't have any distractions in your YouTube channel. Tip 11, have a thumbnail that makes users want to click on your YouTube channel. Tip 12, be emotional. Tip 13, create longer videos to improve watch time. Tip 14, go live on YouTube and talk to your clients or viewers. Tip 15, produce videos as series and make all kinds of videos that relate to the same topic as your YouTube channel. Tip 16, collaborate with other YouTubers. Have a thumbnail that makes users want to click on your YouTube video. Tip 18, make sure your viewers are actually liking the content you're producing. Tip 19, make sure your video content has good graphics. Tip 20, don't be boring. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and comment, share, subscribe. I don't know how that goes, but we'll figure it out in a couple of days. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy your coronavirus X, whatever you call it.